While delivering lecture, if there is some disturbance in the class, a teacher should: option A, keep quiet for a while and then continue. B, punish those causing disturbance. C, motivate to teach those causing disturbance. D, not bother of what is happening in the class. So what teacher will do? Answer C, motivate to teach those causing disturbance. Next question is, effective teaching is a mention of. Answer C, teachers making students learn and understand. Effective teaching is a function of teacher making student learn and understand. C option is right. The next question is, the most appropriate meaning of learning is. Answer B, modification of behavior. Arrange the following teaching process in order. So this is relate the present knowledge with previous one. Evaluation. Third is reteaching. Fourth is formulating instructional objective. Fifth is presentation of instructional material. So what is the sequence teaching process? Answer D. Next question, the sequential operation in scientific research are. Answer is A, covariation, elimination of spurious relation, generalization, theorization. Next question is, in sampling the lottery method is used for A, interpretation, B, theorization, C, conceptualization, D, randomization. So answer is D, randomization. Next question, which is the main objective of research? So answer is D, to discover new facts or to make fresh interpretation of known facts. You can see the theoretical objectives, factual objective details, establishment of truth as objective, of truth as objective, or practical utility. In explanation, next question is, sampling error decreases with the increase in sample size. Answer B is correct answer. Next question is from reasoning. In certain code, teacher is written as a VGCEJGT. The code of children will be. So answer is B. Next question, a person has to buy both apple and mango. The cost of one apple is 7, whereas that of a mango is 5. The person has 38. The number of apple has can buy is. Answer D. Logical reasoning question. Ideological code shapes our collective. Answer B, perceptions. Next question is, stipulative definition may be said to be. So its answer is D, neither true nor false. Next question is, when the conclusion of an argument follows from its premises conclusively, the argument is called. C, deductive argument. Deductive and inductive argument is very important for UGC NET paper 1. One or two question always asked in a paper. So next question is, Saturn and Mars are planets like the Earth. They borrow light from the sun and move around the sun as the Earth does. So those planets are inhabited by various order of creature as the Earth is. Answer C, analogical. Next question, given below are two premises. 4 conclusions are drawn from those who premises in 4 quotes. Select the quote that states the conclusion validly drawn premises. So answer is C, some honest person are religious. Now the question is from information and communication technology. The population information is called parameter, while the corresponding sample information is known as a. Answer D, statistics. Next question is, in communication myths have power but are. C, imprecise. Next question is, if two propositions having the same subject and predicate terms are such that one is the denial of the other, the relationship between them is called A. Contradictory. Next question is, the post-industrial society is designed as a, answer A. Information society. The post-industrial society is designed as an information society. Next question is for communication. The initial effort for internet-based communication was for, answer B. military purpose. Which of the following is a social network? So you can answer this. Answer D. Twitter. Which of the following is a social networking site? So is a Twitter. Internal communication within institution is done through LAN, WAN, EBB, MMS. So answer is LAN. Internet communication within institution is done through LAN. Next question is, virtual reality provides participatory experience. Answer C is correct. Now the question is from people development and environment topic. InTouch is known for its contribution for conservation of our cultural heritage. The full form of InTouch is, answer D. Indian National Trust for Art and Cultural Heritage. Next question from December 2014. Instruction aids are used by the teacher to, answer C. clarify the concept. Next question is, education is the manifestation of perfection already in man was stated by, this is most important question. Answer C. Swami Vivekananda. Diagnostic evaluation ascertains, answer D. causes and remedies of persistent learning problems during instruction. Next question is, attitude of the teacher that affects teaching pertain to A. affective domain. Next question is, which of the following is not a prescribed level of teaching? Which following is not prescribed level of teaching? That is differentiation. Next is, maximum participation of a student during teaching is possible through, answer B. demonstration method. Sampling cases means, answer D. sampling of people, newspaper, television programs, etc. What is research design? So answer D. a framework for every stage of the collection analysis of data. Next question is, sampling cases mean, so this is repeated question some. Okay, the next question is, the frequency distribution of a research data which is symmetrical in shape similar to a normal distribution but center peak is much higher is, answer C. Lapocartic. Next question is, when planning to do as social research, it is better to be familiar with literature on the topic. Answer C. Next question, when academicians are called to deliver lecture or presentation to an audience on certain topics or set of topics of educational nature, it is called, answer B. seminar. What it is called? Seminar. Next question is, the core element of our discussions are, answer D. introduction, literature review, research methodology, result discussion and conclusion. So next question, in the classroom the teacher sent the message either as word as or images. The students are really, answer B. decoder. Digital empowerment means, choose the correct answer from the course given below. Universal digital literacy, universal access to all digital resources, collaborative digital platform for participative governance, probability of all entitlements for individual through cloud. So choose the correct answer is, answer D. First, second, third and fourth, all options are correct. MOOC यानी MOOC stands for, what is the full form of MOOC? Stand for C, Massive Open Online Course. GIF, JPG, MPG, MB, BPM, PNG are used as extension for file which stores, answer B, image data. Symbols A to F are used in which of the following? So answer is D, NUEPA. Symbols A to F are used in which one of the following? That is not the correct answer. That is used in a computer keyboard. Symbols A to F are used in computer keyboard. Function key. It is a function key. Next question is, which of the following power the president has in relation to Lok Sabha? So answer is C, summoning, adjournment, sine, prorogation, dissolution. That is the correct answer. Answer C, 1, 3 and 4. The interval between two sessions of parliament must not exceed, answer B, 6 months. 2015 question. Achievement tests are commonly used for the purpose of, answer C, assessing the amount of learning after teaching. A good teacher is one who, answer C, inspires students to learn. Next question is, which of the following steps are required to design a questionnaire? Select the correct answer from the codes given below, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So answer is C, 1, 2, 3 and 4. All four options are correct. Jean Piaget gave a theory of cognitive development of human on the basis of his, answer D, fundamental research. Next question is, which of the following statement about teaching aids are correct? So answer is B, 2, 3 and 4. A good teacher is one who, so answer is C, inspire student to learn. Next question is, which of the following steps are required to design a questionnaire? It is a repeated question. So next question is, among the following statements, two are contradictory to each other. Select the correct code that represent them. So answer is B, 1 and 3. Which of the codes given below contains only the correct statements? Select the code statement. This is where it's very important question, so must watch. Answer is A, 1, 2 and 4. It is all about Venn diagram. Venn diagram topic is very important. Next question is, a deductive argument is invalid if, answer D, its premises and conclusion are all false. Next question is, if we want to seek new knowledge of facts about the world, we must rely on the reason of the type, answer D, inductive. When the purpose of a definition is to explain the use or to eliminate ambiguity, the definition is called lexical. Assertion A, formal communication tends to be fast and flexible. Reason, formal communication is a systematic and orderly flow of information. So answer is B. A is correct but R is false. Which of the following is the highest level of cognitive ability? So answer is C, evaluating. Next question is, inductive reasoning grounded on, answer B, uniformity of nature. Next question is from higher education and governance system. The South Asia University is situated in the city of, answer B, New Delhi. The session of the parliament summoned by, answer D, the president. The gross enrollment ratio GER in institution of higher education in India at present 2015 is about, answer B, 19%. The total number of central university in India in April 2015 was, Answer C, 43. Civil Services Day is celebrated in India on 21st April. The University Grant Commission was established with which of the following aims? So answer A, 1, 2 and 3, promotion of research and development in higher education, identifying and sustaining institution of potential learning, or capacity building of teachers. Next question is, the main objective of student evaluation of teachers are. Identify the correct answer from the codes given below. So answer is B, 1, 2 and 3 is a correct. Next is, which of the following attributes denote great strength of a teacher? So it is answer A, 2, 3 and 4. Setting example, willingness to put assumption to the test, or acknowledging mistakes. Which one of the following statement is correct in the context of multiple choice type questions? So answer D, they are more objective than true false type questions. What are required for good teaching? So answer is D, all 4 option is correct: diagnosis, remedy, direction and feedback. What are the characteristics of continuous and comprehensive evaluation? So its answer is C, 2, 3 and 4 option is correct. Greater the handicapped student coming to the educational institution, greater the demand on the answer B, teacher. What are the characteristics of continuous and comprehensive evaluation? So answer is C, 2, 3 and 4 answer is correct. So next question is, which of the following are the characteristics of a seminar? Answer C, 1, 2 and 4 answer is correct. Which of the following statement is not true in the context of participatory research? Answer C, its a sole purpose is production of knowledge. Which of the following statement is true in the context of testing of a hypothesis? Answer A, it is only the null hypothesis that can be tested. The last question, friends, which of the following are the basic rule of APA style of referencing format? So answer A, 2, 3 and the 4 answer is correct. Invert author's name, last name first. Italicize title of longer works such as books and journals, and alphabetically index reference list. So friends, it's all about this video, all about the most important questions. So thanks for watching.